Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. Our second lecture for biology, that is the branches of biology. Next one is physiology. This branch deals with the study of the functions of different parts of living organism. For example, the working of the muscles. It deals with the working of the parts of the body. Genetics, the study of genes and their roles in inheritance, is called genetics. Inheritance means the transmission of factors from one generation to the other, for example, the blood group genetics. Embryology, it is the study of development of an embryo to new individual, for example, the study of various stages of chick development. Taxonomy, it is the study of the naming and classification of the organisms into the groups and subgroups. For example, the identification of the taxonomic position of a newly discovered animal species in an area. Paleontology, it is the study of fossils. The fossils are the remains of extinct organisms. For example, the estimating age of the dinosaur's skeleton. Environmental biology, it deals with the study of the interactions between the organisms and their environment. For example, the effect of pollution on human health or human activities which increase the pollution on the planet. Sociobiology, this branch deals with the study of the social behavior of the animals that make the societies. For example, the protective behavior of the mothers to their offspring, killing of the cubs by male lion to reduce the competition in their offspring. Parasitology, this branch deals with the study of the parasites. For example, the study of the mosquito or bacteria and worms harming the bodies of animal are all parasites. They depend upon the host. Plants also have other parasitic plants. So this is the parasitology. Biotechnology, it deals with the practical application of the living organisms to make the substances for the welfare of the mankind. Its best example is using the bacteria for producing the human hormones such as the insulin growth hormones. Immunology, it is the study of the immune system of the animals which defends the body against the invading microbes. For example, how white blood cells engulf the foreign particles is actually an immunity study. Entomology, it is the study of insects. For example, if someone wonder why ants from queue and how honeybees search for insects, all this comes in entomology. Pharmacology, it is the study of drugs and their effects on the systems of the human body. For example, if a doctor is studying the effects of cinchona bark extract on malaria patient, he is studying the pharmacology. Molecular biology or biochemistry, it deals with the study of the molecules of life. For example, study of the role of water or proteins or carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acids, molecules in maintaining the life. मुझे लग रहा है कि मैंने एक पास